How's it going, everyone? Sneaksanity here today, and we're going to be taking a look at Easy Mode for Chefs, or EZmac for short. This is a simple tool that allows you to go and create an Excel and put all of your billing profiles into there, and then within that you can import that into a varying number of bots. So I've made this sample Excel here. All that's really necessary is to put in the credit card numbers and the billing information. And then if your billing is the same as shipping, you don't really have to input any of this stuff towards the end. So the thing I really enjoy about this tool is that within this Excel, they've coded in all these different shortcuts. So for example, if you're doing a catch-all here, you can put in these %char5 and %num3, and what that'll do is put like 5 random alpha keys and then 3 random numbers before your catch-all domain for each different profile. So it makes creating emails very easily. And then the other thing is, if you're using virtual credit cards and you can use any names on those cards, you can use these features here for random first name and random last name. And these will hold true for the billing information as well within the same profile. All right, so now we're just going to take a look at the actual tool. So you want to run it as an administrator. All right, once it loads up, you go to Browse, select the template you've created, and now you can output into any number of bots. So for the first example, I'll just show you guys how it works with Dash. Hit Start. I think the easiest way to do this is just click Remote, and what that will do is allow you to save a JSON anywhere you want. So I'll save one onto the desktop. And now if we open Dashy, we're going to see that we can just easily import this JSON and all of those profiles will come in easily. So you see there's nothing in here right now. However, if we select that JSON, we can see that all of those profiles have come in. And as stated earlier, the random name feature holds true for both the top up here for the delivery as well as for the actual credit card. All right, so the next bot we want to take a look at is SoulSlayer. So most of the bots are going to have that remote feature where you can just have a JSON output and then import that within your bot. However, there are a couple bots that are a little different that I want to highlight. So we're going to take a look at SoulSlayer first. So if we hit Start here, you'll see that it's been converted into text and it's been put into my clipboard. So now if we open SoulSlayer, you see I don't have anything here. All I have to do is click Clipboard Import, and it imports all of those profiles. All right, so the last one I want to take a look at is YCOP. So I think with YCOP, the best way to use it is go with the remote mode. What that does is it'll just text it within YCOP. So you can go into the auto checkout profiles, make sure you're selected on profile name, and then just click Got It. And it'll just start inputting all your profiles there. And this will continue for all of them. All right, so I'll end that early. So that concludes this short look into the tool EZmac for Chefs. I highly recommend this product. It's made drops so much easier for me, especially because I run many profiles as well as run slots for people, and it just expedites the entire process. Make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.